everybody, it's Neil and I'm in my kitchen and I have this Hazel and Cream sweet confections. So this is a chocolate set of some sort. This is what it looks like on the back. Let me see there. You can see all the ingredients and whatnot. So let's open this up and give this thing a try. See how fat we can get tonight. So let's see, this is it here. Very pretty looking. Oh, something else is done. My food is done. But let's see. This is what it looks like here. So it comes with the box there. Yes. Oh wow! Ooh, look at that. That looks super pretty. Super cute looking. Does it tell me if there's no indication of which is which? I don't think. Let me look underneath here, see if there's anything. Nope, no card, so you just have to guess, I guess, on what's what. So should we give one of these a try? I'll give this one here and try this one. It looks like it's pretty good. Well, here's another one, the same one right there. So let's see what this tastes like. It's like a macaroon thing or something. Oh, that's a chocolate covered Oreo. That's good. Let me try another one here. So that was that one. Let's see what this one is like. This one's like white looking. Oh, I guess wrong with chocolate covered Oreos. It's probably just white chocolate. Should I try one more just to see? Let's see, we want this one. Try this one here. Oh, that one, this one here is big and wide. Let's see. I think these might have gotten a little melted. These are delicious. Okay, I guess they're all Oreos when I look at them. So these are all like just chocolate covered Oreos. So I'm gonna say they're delicious. And this one here's got like a little fruit on top. Like a little mango or something. Now I gotta bite this one too. I'm gonna end up eating them all. Delicious. So there we go. Oh, the bite went off. Guess it's time for me to end the video. I'll put a link to this in the description. It's delicious. I like this video. If you have somebody to get for Valentine's Day, Christmas, whatever, this is a super easy thing, and they're all delicious. Everybody likes Oreos and chocolate covered Oreos and different flavored ones, so this is gonna be a good set to get. So definitely pick this up. The link's in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.